In today's video, I'm going to show you how I made $878 in 1 month promoting one product. Coming up. So as the video states, I'm going to show you how I managed to promote this product called MailPoet and managed to make about 878 in 1 month. All right, so the very first thing that I did when I decided to promote MailPoet was to go onto YouTube and use TubeBuddy. So the reason why I use TubeBuddy here is to take a look here at the competition and to see if this product is fairly popular. And as you can see here, I've put in MailPoet and it shows that, wow, it is quite popular. As you can see here, this is saying excellent. Okay, so the search volume is not too bad. At least it's not in the poor category, so it's not too bad. It's something that I can push and promote, especially with these stats over here. So I decided, you know what, let me create some videos to promote it. Now, before I talk about where I'm promoting it from, let me talk about AppSumo. So AppSumo is this website which has all these deals. So sometimes they have lifetime deals or they have fantastic deals. But the idea is not to go in and promote anything. In fact, let's go to the website here so I can show you. So if I go to AppSumo here, you can see that they have quite a lot of products. You can see here quite a lot of products, but a lot of these, to be honest, I wouldn't use them. So the rule of thumb here is you need to promote something that you use and something that you endorse. Don't just go in and promote these products for the sake of promoting them, because it doesn't work well. Remember, when you do affiliate marketing, you're acting as the salesperson for that company or that product. So you do need to know your product. So before I started promoting MailPoet, I actually spent about 2 weeks learning it, finding out how it works and playing around with it a lot. So when I got comfortable with it, I was able now to do a review about the product and also to do a tutorial about it. So this is why it is important that you endorse something that you actually use or something that you truly believe in. Okay. So when I established that, okay, MailPoet has a decent competition here and I can actually make some tutorials about it. So I decided to put in a strategy where I would do a review, a live stream, and also a tutorial where I use that with Divi, because Divi is the main page builder that I promote on my website. So that was the strategy. Okay. So over here, you can see that MailPoet looks good. Now I've already created these reviews, and the next step now was to design a bridge page. So what I wanted here was to create a page where people log in or sign in with their name and email before they buy MailPoet. Now, the reason why I created this bridge page is because I want to provide even more value for anyone that buys this through my affiliate link. And this is my way of saying thank you. So if anyone wants to get really started with this, you know, I would provide extra training, maybe even a live training behind the scenes where everyone can see how to set it up fast. So that's how I prefer to do my affiliate marketing. And also in the future, I may decide to create a course on email marketing. So instead of me trying to go to Facebook ads, YouTube ads to get new customers to buy my email marketing course, I can just come over here to my list because I know this is relevant. So anyone that has bought MailPoet, chances are they are interested in email marketing. So if I create a course on email marketing, chances are they will buy it. And you know what? I will even give them that course at a discount or even for free, because that's my way of saying thank you to anyone that buys this using my affiliate link. So that's why I created this bridge page. So over here, I just added a video here which talks about the lifetime deal and the benefits of it. And pretty much that's about it. So let me show you now what I got out of this. So as you can see here, this is running from 21st of March 2020 to 21st of April. So this is exactly a month, and this is 715 pounds. Okay, so in US dollars, this is roughly 878. So this is the strategy that I used. And in fact, let me show you that, because you might be thinking that this might not be something that is real. So I can change around here. Last 7 days, you can see there's 173. This month 715. So you can see this is real life, and this is exactly, you know, the stats. This is not a static image, because I know a lot of marketers out there, they use static images to try and show you that they are actually making money from these promotions. So as you can see, this strategy actually works, but the trick here is you want to make sure that there's enough search volume here for the product. If not, you need to have a large email list. So it's important that you have a large email list if you're going to be promoting something that is brand new out there, something that is not really popular. So that's how I would do it. But as you can see, all this starts from a blog. If you need to have a blog, because for you to set up a bridge page, you need to be running a website. And of course, this website, I just call it a blog because that's where I add all my content. And that's where also you need people to sign in so you can capture their email address to grow your mailing list. So I'm going to add a link in the video description below that takes you to my 3-day blogging bootcamp. So this is a free course that teaches you how to get started with setting up your blog. It's absolutely free. Go ahead, check it out, and get started with setting up your blog, because as I mentioned before, your blog is the foundation of your online business. Whether you want to go into affiliate marketing, selling courses, or whatever it is, your blog is very, very important. All right, guys, that's all I have for you in today's video. Thank you very much for watching. And if you like this video, don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell notification. By doing so, you'll be notified when I release new tutorials. Until next time, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.